Welcome back everyone. This year, I'm releasing the new playlist of microservice on my channel name Hustler Coder. Welcome back. Let's dive deep into the world of microservices, a must-watch playlist for developers and architects. Let's try to understand the agenda of this playlist. So I will start with the introduction to microservices. Here, we will focus on discovering what microservices are and why they are a buzzword in changing the dynamics of the software industry. In the next segment, we'll focus on in-depth understanding for developers and architects. We'll demonstrate the tailored content that delves in deep into microservices, addressing complex concepts with ease. Perfect for both budding and experienced professionals. The next segment will delve into hands-on mini project. This will help you to step into real-world applications. This segment guides you through a mini project, equipping you with practical skills and industry readiness. Please note that in this segment, we will use AWS infrastructure for our demo mini project. So if you have an account, that is very good. If you don't have, then if you want to follow me with the hands-on, then you should get the account in AWS infrastructure. Otherwise, you can continue with the video. There is no hard and fast rule to buy it. Okay. In the next segment, we'll focus on live project challenges. What I mean here is we'll explore the key challenges faced in live projects, gain insights and learn from real case scenarios to enhance your problem solving skills, which is must required in industry. And the next segment will focus on how to win system design interviews. Guidance will provide the guidance for preparing big interviews. This section focuses on microservices related questions, helping you get interview ready. These all you will learn from experienced engineers having 20 plus year of experience in software product development. So I hope you like it, and I'm very much sure that you have lots of learning to get ready for industry by acquiring the skills following these videos. So stay tuned. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for completing this video. And I hope that you definitely have learned something which will help you in your system design interview. Hope to see you in next video with new concept and skills needed for the system design interview. By then, keep learning, keep improving, and keep sharing your knowledge.